Alright, good morning. It is currently Thanksgiving morning. My wife and I are planning on going to Wisconsin to visit family. And so I want to clean the car to prep so we have a nice ride to Wisconsin. And I really don't want to use an extension cord from the garage to my car. So what I currently am doing is I am using my Ryobi shop vac to clean my car. And wow, that's all right. Worth it. Yeah, it did use up the entire battery to run that like about 7 to 10 minutes. But guess what? As long as you have batteries, that doesn't matter. Normally, when my wife and I lived in our condo, I'd have to get a bunch of supplies. You know, I have to pay money to use a vacuum, and we had a little vacuum from Black & Decker, and the battery within a year would last like 4 minutes, and it would take like 4 hours for it to charge. So being 5 minutes out in the cold with that ease of a vacuum, boom, done. Clean car, and I love it. I love my Ryobi products. I love them. So I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out.